Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at this new demo. So in this app, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be again using the face detection from the Vision framework. But along with that, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cropping individual faces out, and we're going to be writing an API, which is going to be later utilized in some of our apps to do further image classification. So here is the demo. So uh, this is our input file, and it's a one image which has like multiple faces, as you can see, of different folks with different angles, and some with glasses, some without glasses, some with beard, mustaches, and all races and colors and everything. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using as an input, and this shows basically, and here's our output where our algorithm from the Vision framework was able to extract the face part out successfully, and it has listed them individually in UI collection view cells. So and you can see it's really very close to being perfect, and this is actually really good because later on, if let's say you want to do a classification of let's say you want to find out if this image is of a male or a female, you can just supply this part and get the results out, which optimizes the performance of the app really good. So that's why this API is important, and we are going to be creating it from scratch. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this demo, and we will see you in our next video to get started building this. Thank you.